Hi there, welcome back. It's another advent calendar video, one of the other really popular ones. It's the Gift of Beauty from Marks and Spencer's, which actually comes as like a gift with purchase type deal. So I shall tell you all about that in a second, but if you want to see what's inside, I'm just going to let you know I will be showing you all the different bits, so if you don't want to see, don't watch, and I hope you enjoy it. What we've got here is loads of boxes in a cool design inside the doors. On here it says worth £300 and includes 6 full-size products, which is pretty good, and also the sample sizes are good sizes too, so I'll talk you through all of that. I just want you to have a little look. See, basically the star is kind of protruding in here, so it's a really nice design, I think, and then you just pull out the individual boxes as you go. I'm about to make a massive mess basically, but it's okay because then you're going to get to see everything. So I'm just going to pop it down and then start working through. So it's already falling apart. Right, number 1, Happy New Hair it says, and inside this box is Aveda's Damage Remedy. This is the Daily Hair Repair. This is one of my favourite ranges from Aveda, the Damage Repair. It's perfect for hair like mine that gets styled a lot, is dehydrated, and is basically needing a bit of TLC. So that is 100ml. So I believe that's full size actually, because I've got that in my bathroom at home. Right, so that's number 1. Right, number 2 is Aiko Lash Alert, and this is a 4ml. So it's basically mini mascara, perfect for travelling. And I don't know if I've tried this mascara, but I think I want to. So yeah, Lash Alert mascara. Wake Up and Go it says. So that's number 2. Number 3, 'Tis the Season it says on this box. In here, Formula Absolute, which is the Marks and Spencer's anti-aging range, and this is targeted treatment for eyes and lips, total lip and eye, and 15ml in that, so haven't tried that, but it looks interesting. Their sleeping mask is really good, by the way. So number 4 is Alpha H Balancing Cleanser. That's a deluxe size 30ml, so that's really good, with Damask Rose. Haven't tried that, but Alpha H is amazing brand, brilliant for like skin renewal. And if you haven't tried their liquid gold, you must if you like an acid peel. Number 5, so these aren't as easy to put back as the Liberty calendar, just so you know. So if you do decide to raid this before December, you're going to struggle putting it back in, basically. This is never going to look the same again. Right, in number 5 we have Ren V Scents. This is 30ml Revitalizing Night Cream. So that's really nice, I like Ren. 6, Party Eye Perfection. So in here we have, it's M&S brand Autograph Kohl Eyeliner in black, and that's full size. I'll just have a little play with that. Oh yes, very nice and pigmented. Number 7 is underneath number 15. Number 15 is about to collapse. Oh no, it kind of suspended magically. Right, okay. Festive to your fingertips. I'm going to guess this is a nail polish. Let's have a look. And yes, it is. It's Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink. Nails Ink polish in a shade called Weekend Millionaire. Very pretty. Kind of like a pinky, rosy gold metallic shade. Really nice. Full size. Number 6, are you number 6? No, number 7 I'm looking for now. Number 7 is... Number 7 is not on the floor, number 7 is in my hand. Let's just carry on. Okay. Number 7 is the Formula Absolute Ultimate Sleep Cream. This, I've got the full size of this. This is the one I was referring to earlier. It's a really nice overnight mask, basically. Now, the challenge is going to be to find number 9. Are you up here or on the floor? Yeah, this is number 9. Oh. Right. Okay, number 9, Hair Happy and Bright. Philip Kingsley Weightless Shampoo. That's a good size. That's 50ml. Ruined my life, basically, by throwing all of that on the floor. I did say that there was some magical suspension going on, and then the magic ended. 10. 10 would still manage to stay in the box, crazily. This is what I'm saying about raiding it early. Don't, basically, if you want to keep it in good shape. Right, This is a Nuxe Creme Gel Multi-Correction Gel Cream in English, and that is a 15ml, so perfect for travel. I love Nuxe. It's from the Creme Prodigieuse range. Creme Prodigieuse Boost. Okay, that's in there. Number 11, still up there, is Filorga NCEF Reverse Supreme Multi-Correction Cream. So that's so far one of the smallest samples we've had, 7ml. Filorga is amazing, by the way, so worth a try. 12. Here is 12. So in here we have Beautiful Butters Coconut, deeply moisturising body butter with natural coconut oil to smooth and protect for dry, very dry skin. 50ml. Ooh, I love a body balm. And it smells very good. Loving that. Right, you can go back in the box. And you have 12. Now I'm looking for 13. So this one actually says 13. Some of them do, and it throws me because I'm looking for digits rather than writing. Okay, Cheyenne Blue White Peaches Natural Fragrance Spray. There you go. That is a 10ml, which is a good fragrance size. Perfect handbag size, actually. Let me smell this. Oh, it's very peachy. If you like a fruity fragrance, you'll like that. Now we're looking for number 14, which is a cheese. I think I was about to comment on the last one being a cheese before my avalanche occurred, but I quite like that. It reminds me of Trivial Pursuit. Emma Hardy Purifying Pink Clay Detox Mask, which I've never tried. How have I not tried this? I love a pink mask and I love a clay mask, and Emma Hardy I love. I'm so obsessed with the Moringa Cleansing Balm at the moment. That is 20ml, so a good size for a mask sample. So 15 is Percy and Reed Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm. That's full size, I think, 75ml. So that's really nice. It's really all multitask hair product primer. Like you can use it on dry hair, wet hair. It just kind of does lots of like nourishing and hydrating, makes your hair behave itself basically. Number 16, I know I've seen you down there. Oh, this is a limited edition with Skin Iceland, M&S Beauty X Skin Iceland limited edition Minty Lip Fix. I love Skin Iceland. I love Sarah, the founder, actually. She's really great and very passionate about her brand. So this is a lip balm, which I've never tried. Let me just have a little. Very fresh and nice. Trying to do it without ruining my lip gloss, which is Clé de Peau, by the way, new lip colour. That is a 12ml, so a full size for the lip fix. Right, that's 16. Number 17 is also down here, another Trivial Pursuit cheese. M&S Beauty Pure. This must be an M&S brand, I'm sure. Pure Natural Beauty Super Hydrate Day Cream SPF 15 lightweight moisturiser for instant and 12-hour hydration, lasting hydration, 30ml. Worth a try. Here's 18. Oh, L'Occitane hand cream. We love these minis in our house. 10ml, and it's the original dry skin hand cream. Really good. Always worth it. L'Occitane, just no hand cream. 19 in the words. Getting there. This works. Sleep Together calming spray. Relax together, sleep better together for busy days and brighter mornings. Do you know what? Very confused by that. I only know about their pillow spray. Sleep Together calming spray. Diffuse a sense of calm in the evening and at bedtime to encourage a better night's sleep. 99% natural aromatherapeutic super blend of lavender, vetiver and chamomile that is suitable for all ages from 6 months upwards. A day to night calming spray to help everyone feel more rested and increase overall sleep satisfaction. Oh right, so you can start like basically spraying it around at bedtime and slowly everybody will just start to feel really relaxed and sleepier. I think that's the idea anyway. Who knows? But I'm up for it. You could literally, say you had like really restless kids, you could just be kind of spraying it around. Suddenly they're like, I'm tired, Mum. Right, anyway, where are we? 20s, one of these slim ones. Brush Up on Beauty. So this is a eyeshadow brush, double-ended, fabulous, autograph. So you've got, oh, like that. So that's kind of like a flatter brush and then like a good crease brush there. So that's good. 21 is Stealer. Ooh, lovely. I need to put my glasses on because I can't see. Stay All Day liquid lipstick. Let me show you that. There you go. 22 is Autograph Luminosity Radiant Skin Primer. That's exciting. I like a little bit of a, oh, a bit too much. Bit of a primer. So that is 15ml, so that's a good way to get to know it. Number 23 is, this is a really nice cleanser from Murad, AHA and BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, and that is a 30ml, so that's really nice. So 24 is Pure Skin Perfecting Powder. Ooh, that looks like a highlighter to me. Afterglow highlighter. Lovely. Final one, 25, says Merry Christmas. Oh, this looks very exciting. I feel like I shouldn't show you this, but I'm going to. If you don't want to know what the actual Christmas Day present is, one is turn off now. But look, it's really cute. Oh wow, Pray. Now I love this stuff. It's amazing for your neck and deck, basically. Look at this special blinged out version of the Pray Ageless, or Pry. I think I call it Pray, but I think it's Pry actually. Neck and deck. I tested this. It's brilliant. It really works. It works really quickly to improve the texture of your skin on your neck and throat and chest, basically. So this is the 30ml in a special Christmas blinged out pot, which is gorgeous, but the cream itself is just amazing. I love this stuff. Really good. Okay, so that's the night cream, and that's your special Christmas Day present. So that's it. Let me just talk you through the info. Look, we're all done. Empty box, and I'm never ever going to be able to put that back together again, ever, because it was in a special design, and I'm afraid that's just never going to be, it's never going to look like that again. Right, so what we've got here, so it says it's 25 products, all of M&S's own brand and third-party brands, worth over £300, and you can buy it for £40 when you spend £25 on clothing, home and beauty in-store and online. So as I said, it's like a gift with purchase. So you spend £25 and then this whole kit, which is worth over £300, will cost you £40. So it's such a good deal, and it's why everybody looks forward to this calendar every year, because you're going to do your Christmas shopping in Marks and Spencer's probably. You can always spend £25 in Marks and Spencer's, especially at Christmas time, and then you just get that calendar for 40 quid. So it's such a brilliant deal. So the maximum you're going to spend is 65, basically. Amazing. So I'm going to link all the info in the description box. I've got a full list of the contents there, and let me also just tell you what the launch date is so that you have everything you need to know. It launches on the 31st of October 2019, so not too long to wait now. The spend is across clothing, home and beauty. Let me know if you've got any questions. You can leave those in the comment section below. I'll leave all the information that you need in the description box. If you need to message me, you can get me on Twitter or Instagram. It's @ReallyRee. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.